fresh tracks. Right here. There's another one right there. Look at that. Wow. That's a good one. Here's a nice paw print right here. It's big, but it's not huge. You know, a full-grown adult would be a bit bigger, about the size of the middle of my hand. So it's a teenager. He's been walking right here. And that's a pretty good span between footprints. Yeah. He's pretty good size, though. He's not little. We have a puma. There's a puma right here. He's just came out of the woods. Okay, he's walking along the edge. There he is. Wow. He's right there. Huh? He's looking. Nobody move. Everybody stay still. There he is, right there. He's walking in the brush. What's amazing is he's not making any sound at all. I can't hear him at all. God. I mean, he's an absolute silent hunter.
Pumas are at their most dangerous when they haven't eaten for several days.
He's hungry and he's looking for a meal. So I really gotta be careful right now. The last thing I need to do is act like a prey animal. Under no circumstances can I run. That's the worst thing to do. The thing is, you don't hear a puma coming. If you're lucky, you see it.
Should it choose to, this puma is more than capable of killing a fully grown man.
Don't run. Don't run. He will attack you. He's just staring. You know, this is the top predator. And to be able to watch him walk out of the woods, look right at me, and not care at all. All right, he's walking away. That is the most elegant predator I've ever seen. What an incredible animal. God. No, the dark doesn't belong to us. It belongs to the pumas. With hearing and smell and vision like his, he really is the king of the dark.